How to change email address in DeepSeek. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let me tell you that unfortunately there is no option to change your email address in DeepSeek, but it is really easy to delete an account and open it from a new email address. So I'll show you how. Let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to your DeepSeek account and then go to your profile in the bottom left. Head over to settings and then you need to go to profile and there you can see delete, so you can easily delete your account and log in from your new email address, because as you can see that there is no option to change email address. I hope it will introduce this feature very soon. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.